Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmadi, student ID number 2002311000193. I am student from University Trunojoyo Madura Development Economics Study Program. She will present the export and import. Export is a process of transaction of goods or commodities from one country to another. This activity is often carried out by companies with small to large-scale business as the main strategy to compete in international trade. With a small and sheer capital, companies often do export because they have quite low reserves, depending on the method of implementation. There are two types of export, which is number one, direct export, namely the activity of selling goods or services through intermediaries in other countries. Export destination countries. Sales are made through the company. The company sales representatives or distributor. The advantage of direct export is that production is centralized in the country of origin and control over distribution can be improved. The drawback is that transportation costs are higher for large-scale product plus 3 are trade barriers. Which is number 2, indirect export. It is a trading tisque in which goods are sold through an intermediary in the country of origin and then the goods are sold by the intermediary. Sales are made through export management companies and export trading companies. The advantage of indirect export is that production resources are concentrated in one place without being directly involved. The weaknesses are lack of control over distribution and knowledge of operational activities in other countries. In general, the service industry uses the types of direct export, while the manufacturing industry tend to use both. Export provision. The general provision in export usually include matters relating to the process of sending goods abroad. These provisions include, which is number 1, export terms. 1. Have a trading business license, CIUP. 2. Obtaining a business license from a technical ministry or non-ministerial government agency. 3. Have an export license. Which is number 2, must be an exporter are entrepreneurs. We can export who already have CIU or business license. Which is number 3, registered exporter is a company that has received recognition from the Minister of Trade to export certain goods in accordance with the applicable regulation. Which is number 4, export goods. Exported goods are types of goods that are registered as export goods and are in accordance with applicable tax and custom regulation. Import is a process of transaction of goods or service from one country to another legally, which is generally carried out in the trade process. The import process in general is an activity of goods or commodities from other countries into the country. In each process, the import of goods interferes with custom in the sending or receiving country. It is necessary to be careful in every activity because in general there are several mistakes that are often made by individual or companies that are just starting to to export and import, including 1. Did not do the consultation first. 2. Do not pay attention to the completeness of document before export and import. 3. Must know the flow and products and procedures that shall be carried out. 4. Lack of understanding in each process, saying too much profit, so forgetting simple things. Import provision covering import activity usually include matter relating to the process of sending goods into the country. This provision include, which is number 1, must meet import requirement, which is number 2, must be an importer. Importers are entrepreneurs who can carry out trade activities by importing goods from abroad into the Indonesian custom area in accordance with the applicable provision. The importers category includes 1. General registered importers manufacture. 2. Importers manufacture. 3. Single agent. 4. Importer goods. All types of goods are registered as imported goods and are in accordance with applicable tax and custom regulation. That's all from me. Thanks for watching and the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.